everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you my experience with my client. So he reached out to me and he said he's having issues with his website. Currently, his posts on, or let me say his blog posts are not reflecting on a particular page that he wants them to. So the problem he's having is that his particular page, which is this, is currently blank. He wants the page, or rather sorry, the post to show on the page. So reach out to me and I noticed that his theme is Avada, and Avada comes with its own page builder, which is called the Avada page builder. So I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot something like this in case in future you face similar issue. So let's just get started. All right. So the first thing you do, you come straight to the settings. Comes to settings and you see some couple of other libraries. Then you head straight to the reading section. Click on it. So as you can see from the reading settings, you will see the home page. So here basically is the default home page, like the landing page whenever someone clicks on the website. And the post page here is very important. So he wants this page asks a lawyer to be the default post page. So he wants all the posts that he have created to appear under this ask a lawyer. So I set it to ask a lawyer, which is the page. So in case you are facing similar issue, so the first thing you have to do, you come to your post page and you set it to the page you want to be your default post page. So if you've not done that before, you will come and see default one, which is select. So default post page in every WordPress website is this select, and which is nothing. So you have to be the one to choose the page you want. So I'm going to just do it like this. So after that, you will save your changes. All right, great. So you can also choose the number of posts you want to show, and that is that. And you can choose full text or accept. All right, so after doing this, you come to the page, you go straight to the page that you want to edit, because currently you need to set up the page. Unlike Elementor is easy, you can just easily drag and drop, but Avada is a little bit, technical. So here is the page, ask a lawyer. So you can see is the default post page because you set it from the setting. So you just click on this edit. All right, so you come straight down here because you want to edit the layout of the page. So you head down, down, down here. So here is the page options. So you can edit the layout, which is the first one. You can see the layout, the header, side tags, page title, bar, content, footer, import or export. So you just click on layout. So we take it to another page and here it is. So you can see the global header for the home. You can select the header, but we're not going to do this now. So let's just go back to the edit and we'll click on ask a layer session. Ask a layer session. So that is the section that you want to edit. Click on it and to take you to the page. So as you can see, you can add elements. So the element I want to add here is blog. So you click on add element and okay, so you head over to design. Okay, so this is it. You want to add blog. So you click on it. So you select the post per page. So you can choose whichever you like. So I just want to stick with 10. So I'll choose 10. Okay, so put posts. You can choose by category or tags. Then you can select categories or leave blank for also the categories of posts you want to show. You can exclude category, you can order by the date it was created, post title, post log, author, but let's just stick to date. The order, if you want it to be ascending order or a descending order. Then thumbnail, yeah, should be yes. Then show title, yes. So content display will be default, or you can choose the set or full content, whichever one you prefer. So you can also show the meta tag. So that's that. And okay. So once you're done with this, you can just save it. You save your changes, and also okay, so I'm just gonna cancel this now. Okay. So you save your changes, then you head over to design. So as you can see, the blog layout is large. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I just want to save this now. So let me, once you've done saving it, click on update. So you update this. Okay, so it's updated. So let's check this on our live site so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna open this on an incognito. So this is an incognito browser and this is the website. So you can just refresh it so you see our update. So as you can see how it looks. It's not really good like this because the default page we choose the layout to be large. So you have to change it to a smaller size so it can be looking good. So you head over to your editor. So you're gonna edit this and you go to design. So from here you can choose the size you want, medium, grid, um, whichever one you like. So let me just stick with grid and save this. So once you save this, you click on update. All right, so it's updated now. So what we'll do now, go back to our incognito browser and we're gonna refresh this from here. Wow, so as you can see, our post page is looking great and nice. So you can either edit the text, color, whichever one you prefer. So let me know if this video helped you and give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.